Oh, it's done.
Oh, nice and shiny. Group hug for Grandma.
To see the kitties. They look like rats.
Welcome to day 3 of our spring break adventure. We are back at the mall just to kill a little bit of time before the first game. These are so nice too, the walls. On our way to the first game of the day. You ready, Bricky?
Our team,
oh, it's bright out here.
A new like
cheer.
It's really cool.
We're just hanging out at the park with our coffees. The kids have hot chocolates. She lost her first game, but that's okay. They played a U10 team, so they were bigger girls. So they're playing at the park. There's Brookie over there. I don't know where Logan went. Oh, he's right beside her. And then Luke is somewhere in this.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love, true to love.
Nice habit too, but you know, at the end of the day, I think the coach said it the other day, the memory is going to be them doing that cheer. She's always.
Yay. Good job, Gorge.
Woohoo!
Woohoo! Good job, Ricky. Was that fun?
Yeah,
let's see your medal.
Oh, it's done.
Oh, nice and shiny.
Shiny.
Morning. Got the track put together.
It's ready.
Whoa.
No! It's so mean.
You gotta adjust your brushes, Luke.
I'm winning. I'm at 1.
Oh no.
Oh, he's just so happy to see you, Grandpa.
Yeah, just. How old are you?
11.
What were you doing? What were you doing at 11, Grandpa?
I can't remember.
What were your chores?
Oh,
Oh, you lived on a farm, so you probably had...
Bit of shoveling, I'm sure.
you know, we'd left by then. By 11, oh, probably weeding the garden or cutting the grass and stuff like that.
Okay, that sounds good.
You got new chores.
It doesn't.
Yeah, well, of course it doesn't.
Sounds like barf.
I mean, you're really hard done by, I can tell. The rules are for the oldest one, the middle one, there is no rules, and the little one doesn't care about the rules.
Yeah, that's about right. Pearls of wisdom.
Oh, man.
Please solid. Please solid.
No, it's solid.
Jump.
Look at how high it is. Aww. Okay, we're ready to see Grandma. Okay, you guys can't be all wet when we go to see Grandma. Come on. Oh, man. Did you get caught in the snow?
I saved Logan's life.
I told you not to be in there. We are now in Salmon Arm. We had a really long trip here last night. We slept at Grandpa John's house and had a really nice breakfast. And now we are on our way to see Grandma. So Grandma lives in a resident care home. We haven't seen her for a really long time, so we're hoping that she's having a good day and we have a really good visit. Dad's gonna go and get Grandma some flowers. Brookie, Grandma will just be happy to see us. So we've just been explaining to the kids that Grandma has Parkinson's and she can't walk anymore. We're just trying to explain that, and that sometimes it takes her a little bit longer to process things and recognize people, but I'm sure she will be so happy to see you guys. Look at how beautiful you are. She's going to be so proud of you. Are you going to bring your medal for her? Yeah. And Logie, you're going to behave and be a good boy in there, right? Look at that cute face. She's just going to love you guys.
With those cold.
She does love you guys. Oh, he got her some beautiful flowers. Oh, look, you're holding Grandma's hand.
I don't blame you.
Group hug for Grandma. We love you, Grandma.
You look lovely. I'm so happy to see you. I talk to you all the time, but
I don't know.
It's crazy.
boy, time's just flying, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like,
Oh my gosh, look
Yeah.
at that picture. That's sad. Oh, Luke's laughing at There he is, right there.
Nothing. You don't know.
Oh, how nice. Was that nice to see Grandma?
Yeah.
Sean, were you happy with that?
oh, she's lovely.
Yeah, she was super nice.
And you know what? It's
And I don't think that was too overwhelming for her.
at all.
And then she went and sat her, had her lunch, and all her friends got to see her grandkids, and they were all waving at you. It was very cute. Brookie, did that just warm your heart to see Grandma? Yeah. So now we are going back to Grandpa's house, and then we are headed back to the ferries. 5-hour drive. Are you guys ready?
No.
Brooke, the snow is piled up almost as tall as you are. That's crazy. It's taller than Logan. You guys ready to hit the road?
No.
Well, we are. It's always the ferry rush trying to get on a certain ferry.
I know.
It is 80% full, so we might be on the 9 waiting a few hours, which sucks, but oh well.
Too bad.
It's a long train, hey Logue? Well, we tried to make the 7 and we did the ferry dash and it's full. So now we have to wait 2 hours. There's the ferries. She said we might make the 7. Oh, please.
Oh, come on.
Oh, please. Wave us on, wave us on. Maybe because we're big, we get on first before everybody. Oh, they're letting us through. Okay, here we go. We are on the 7. Woo woo!
Alright.
Awesome.
Hey, Logan.
We made it. Thank God. And it's a good ferry, so we'll be able to eat dinner. Look at Luke's got all the seafood.
Rice.
And rice. Are you excited to go home, Logie?
I want to see the kitties.
And Jasmine.
Oh, Jasmine's gonna go super soon.
Pretty nice view though.
Here,
Hey?
I can walk up.
Ooh, it's windy, but really beautiful. Luke wants to see the kittens. Yeah, say hi to Mama first. Hi, Mama. What do you think about them? Don't touch them. Oh my gosh. We gotta change the towel, but look how cute. Pat Mama. There you go. I'm just gonna go see your babies. Are they so cute?
They look like rats.
They look like rats.
No,
They do
don't.
kind of, but you know what? They are so cute.
The white one looks like a rat.
Oh my gosh.
You're playing.
He just wants to be cuddled. Oh, look at the big yawn.
I can't wait to hold them.